How do you turn off the Apple Watch alarm clock? So let me explain that. And if it's your first time here, most definitely subscribe so you do not miss the upcoming tutorials and videos like this one. Okay, so depends on what you mean by the alarm clock. It might happen that I set up an alarm on the iPhone and it also gets like delivered to the Apple Watch, right? And if you mean turning off that, you can open up the Watch app of the iPhone where you control the Apple Watch settings and locate the clock app. And inside it there, obviously so many other controls and like toggles to switch and enable, but the one we are interested in is the push alerts from iPhone. And if you have that enabled, it just means the very same thing. Like if you set up a timer or alarm on the iPhone on the paired one, and after the alarm goes off, your Apple Watch will vibrate or make a sound as well. And it depends if you like that or not. And if you do not want it, then of course turn off the toggle right here and it's gonna be like separated. It will mean that you still have the watch alarm app where you can just go to the watch directly, set up an alarm just for the watch, but it's all going to be separate. You know, the alarm set up on the iPhone will stay there, and the one on the watch will of course go off on the watch only. So I know a lot of people prefer it to be this separated, but if not, you can obviously change it back and enable the push alerts from iPhone. So I hope it makes sense. I really hope that that was the thing you had in mind. If not, let me know about it below in the comments. It's possible I'll make more videos about it. I publish so many tutorials to help you out. So thanks a lot, and I hope to see you later in the future videos too.